This is the Temple of Lea, located in Barangay Busay, Cebu City, Philippines. It looks like the Taj Mahal of India. So the facades, it looks like Taj Mahal in a vast area intended for, of course, visitors to roam and see the entire Cebu City, Cebu City. So a lot of visitors coming in. So this is the main entrance. So the tourist can, of course, enter and witness the grandeur temple of Leia. So, of course, we are going to enter the main facade of this temple, and actually, according to our guide, the owner is Mr. Chudorico Soriano Adarna, and he built this temple way back in 2012 or 2012, intended for his late wife Leah Albino Adarna. Accordingly, they are the grandparents of the actress named Ellen Adarna. The post actually it made from a marble, and it cost, of course, it is costly. Actually, it is open from 7, I think, day tour, 7 to 6, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And this actually, our group had an opportunity to have photo of course, with the of statue of Leah, uh, a 10-foot high statue of Leah, located in the lobby, near the lobby. Wow, a grandeur, picturesque, and even the ceiling, and a large, of course, chandelier. So if you're facing to the statue of Leah, this is the right portion of the temple, where you can see a lot of stuff, and things, of course, belong to the family. Actually, it is a grandeur lifestyle, actually. Then this is the another room where a lot of course, things. Even the design of the ceiling is actually gorgeous. That is the one of the portraits of Leia. At her early stage and looks beautiful. Of course, another room house for books, a lot of books. Then another room, books again. Actually, in the ancient time, if you are a lot of books, it brings you wealthy and it looks, of course, that's an indicator that you are wealthy. This is some of the portraits and picture photographs. And this room is intended or house a lot of porcelain, ceramics, and I think this came from other countries. Ceramics again, and I think granite or a marble floor. Look at this chandelier. Huge porcelain. I think that is the family photo, the couple. At their childhood, the wedding. Now we back and see a glance back to the main lobby. That is our companion actually, and he's asking about other information about the temple. I had an opportunity to, of course, to see the signage or the markings. Beloved wife and mother, Leah B. Albino Adarna. 10 foot high statue bronze, made of bronze. An angel guarding, and we proceeded to the other or the lip wing of the temple. But there are rooms that prohibited, of course, to enter. That's why there is a uh, barricade. Other room is no actually things. Temple of Leah. Figurine, small figurine, and of course some ceramics. At the time we visited, at least I estimated the hundreds of people coming in and out during the time. So the staircase going to, I think, second floor, both side, of course. The statue is placed in the center of the grandeur staircase stair. The post, it looks me, or it reminds me the David and Goliath story. Of course, there's a that is down there. That is the city of Cebu, at least 90 degrees view. A lot of tourists, local and foreign. Some vehicle are parked in the, of course, in the open area, uphill. Actually, this is a considered uphill area because it uh, located in the mountain mountainous area of Barangay Busay. So that is the view of Cebu City at least 90 degrees. So some visitors are busy taking memories and photographs. This is our team. They are busy too. And according to them, the construction started in 2012. So actually, that is the part of the temple. So the lowland area of Cebu City, you can view from above. Cebu City. Surrounded, of course, surrounded with lush vegetation. Down there, is the main entrance going to this temple. That is the perspective view or the facade of the temple. It reminds me the Gladiator movie. I think the entrance at the time is 120 pesos per individual. A lot of post columns. One, two, three, a lot of columns that is made from marble. I think the diameter of it is a meter, at least a meter. Diameter of that column, marble column. And this is the restaurant underneath. You can order your food here. Nice view. And there are also rooms and structure can be found under this restaurant. Vast and open area. But look at the floor, cemented with a unique design. Statue, the lion statue. Look at the ceiling in the entrance. It was meticulously built. Thank you.